AI. Stop building and start solving, right? Like AI should solve a specific problem that helps you make money, not just have features. Obviously, when I got into AI like way more, like I knew it existed and all that stuff. But when I got into it even more, I'm just playing around with it. But it's like it's not meant to be like impressive and stuff like that. Like yes, you can have it and stuff, but like actually solving a bottleneck, like defining a problem that's and solving it is what's going to be most useful, right? So having a master prompt is going to make things a lot easier. Honestly, I'm not going to have it in the description. I'm just going to show you guys it because I do have it in the next slide. So just copy it, customize it, and ideally you want to update your master prompt every 6 weeks so it updates you on the context of you, your business, whatever, your life, just about you in general, right? So subscribe because what comes next just makes this look like the beginning, right? So here's like a little bit of the master prompts. You could answer these questions and give it to your AI. Just feed it in the context file, which is like, who are you, your name, your age, where you grew up, you know, what shaped you, what's like your number one priority for the next 90 days, what does your ideal day look like, how do you make decisions, right? And what are you building right now? The more specific you are, the more data you could give it, the more better output it could give you back, right? Also, like if you have a certain style of like, let's say you have a certain style of founder that you want to think like, you have a certain style of founder that you want to make the output come out like, or maybe you're doing some math, right? Maybe a certain type of mathematician, right? Put that. You know what I'm saying? You want to put that data stuff because garbage in, garbage out. Good thing in, good thing out, right? So here's just more questions like, what is your emotional driver? I pretty much created an AI assistant because I'm trying to make this thing like an entire CEO, which is why I added all this other stuff too. What are your blind spots? And what does success look like for you 12 months from now, right? And here's how you can give like Claude like an actual memory. One is create your identity file, one Obsidian note, answer all of like the master prompt questions that I had in the previous slide. And that's like your AI brain. And then install the Claude plugin inside of Obsidian. It's free. You just sync in your Vault into the Claude project and then pretty much just paste it into the Claude project from there. Create the Claude project and from there update it every session, right? It's going to update every session as soon as you speak to it. So you could add your wins, your lessons, your goals, how things are going currently, and the more context the AI has, the smarter it's actually going to get, right? So yeah, Obsidian with Claude crushes too. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to, follow along in the journey. And see, what bottlenecks it solves by the next video.